Hey guys, you're in a nutshell with me, Ina. I'm sure kung nasan man po kayong kahit nasang bahagi man po kayo ng Canada, you have likely encountered a beggar, nanlilimos dito sa Canada, no? O kung tawagin po para sa North America ay panhandlers. Ngayon ko lang din po nalaman yun. Anyway, kami po ni JJ, when somebody knocks on our door, usually, di ba, meron po sila mga dalang cardboards, nakasulat kung ano po yung sitwasyon nila, bakit po nila kailangan ng tulong. We do give kapag may extra cash. Alam niyo naman dito sa Canada, kami po, no, in our case, bihira na lang kami magbitbit ng cash. Lagi kaming, credit card magbayad. But when we do have something, kahit, change, we give to these people. Dahil hindi naman din po natin alam kung ano ang kanilang pinagdadaanan, ano. But I know people are divided over whether or not dapat pa mag-abot o hindi. Okay? Pero hindi yun ang focus ng ating discussion. I will be showing you something that will tell us na nako, pati ang mga nanlilimos, talaga ngayon mukhang kailangan natin pag-isipan na mabuti kung sila ba ay tunay na nangangailangan o hindi. Parang pati ang mga nanlilimos, bahagi na ng isang scamming syndicate or something like that. Tuloy, alam mo dahil dito, kawawa naman yung mga tunay na nanlilimos, yung mga tunay na nangangailangan, tunay na may pinagdadaanan sa buhay, kaya sila nga nanlilimos sa kalye. Anyway, I will show you this video. Itong discussion na to, triggered by this video that went viral more than a week ago. Nakita po ang dalawang manlilimos. Bago sila pumwesto sa kanilang, kung saan sila, hihingi ng pera, nakita po silang bumaba sa isang, sabi po ng mga netizens, isang brand new SUV. Okay, na pinarada na lang ng malayo, tapos naglakad sila. Tsaka sila pumunta dun sa pwesto nila. Sige, I will show you this video. Yan. This is from 6Buzz TV. Ang title, Von Beggars Caught Stepping Out of a Brand New SUV Before Collecting Money at an Intersection. Okay, sa Vaughan, Ontario po yan. So, tignan nyo, yung lower half ng video, medyo may nakayuko diyang babae, tapos ayun yung SUV nila, medyo natatakpan lang punong-puno. Yan, hindi ko na ipa-play yung sound, baka makopyright pa ako. Ayan. Ayun sila. Bit-bit na yung parang cardboard yata nila, no? Ayan, mag-aayos muna sila. At tatawid. Maglalakad rather papunta dun sa intersection na malapit sa kanila. Ayan, nag-ready na. Okay. Diba? Dahil dito, tuloy, mag-iisip ka na rin, ano ba yan? Kung dapat nga bang pagbigyan ng mga ito? Bakit kaya sila naka-SUV? Okay. O, ito na. Tingnan natin. Una sa lahat, sino kayang camera ito pala, no? I wonder. Saan galing itong kamerang ito? Nasa taas? Ano ba to? Drone? Eto na, ayun na. Nagsimula na sila manlimos doon, ano? Mukhang kumakatok sa mga kotse. So what do you think about that? Because of this video that went viral, nagkaroon ng sumunod na mga video wherein some people were confronting some beggars. I think one even went to the same location to find these women. Okay, I will show you. Mali pala ako guys, hindi pala in the same location. Pero the video uploader claims na kinonfront niya yung isang beggar after din po niyang makitang binaba ito mula sa isang SUV. Ibang location ito. So it would indicate what? An organized syndicate? Ganun ba? Sa ano naman to, no? 6 News on Instagram. Hold on.
Dropped off behind an alleyway. Why is someone dropping you off behind an alleyway? Is there something to hide? Why don't you just get picked up right here if there's nothing to hide? Why are you doing this? Do you think it's fair to people that are actually struggling on the street? There's actually Canadians on the street that are struggling. Why are you doing this? Can you answer that? This is not right. Why did you leave your garbage everywhere on the ground? Why don't you throw your garbage out? Why don't you throw your garbage out? You're running an operation. There's two of you working together. You got picked up in a van by a man. Why are you doing this? People are waking up to what's happening.
The government gives you money.
I don't have my paper.
Oh, yeah, of course. Everything. Good job, man.
Ayun, ano, may nabanggit yung kinonfront niya, I don't have my papers. And the man who uploaded the video claims, nakita niya that she was picked up by a man and was dropped off in that area. Okay. Sa Mississauga daw, ito. Tapos the uploader claims, dalawa sila working together, ayun nga, while they beg for money. Nabanggit din nung lalaki, no? May mga tunay na mga Canadians na nangangailangan ng tulong. Tapos ito nga, parang kumbaga, pinagbibintangan po kasi niya na part of an operation. O sige, punta tayo ng isa pang video. Similar ha? Kinonfront din. Ay, baka nga same person ito, no? Kasi sa 6 News din on Instagram.
You're from Bosnia?
Video for me.
Huh? When she noticed I was filming the interaction, she flipped me off and even hit my car with her sign.
Why did you what?
Hey! At that moment, I knew something was off and I suspected that the two of them were working together. I
Oh.
observed them from a distance. They spent hours panhandling, often taking breaks together, including a quick refreshment stop at a gas station where they left their garbage on the ground. Another interesting observation was when a police car pulled up to the intersection. When she saw the police car, she seemed to turn around, put away her sign, and cross the street. When the police officer left, she went back to her post and continued begging. I observed them panhandling for 5.5 hours, and they eventually decided to call it quits for the day. I watched them walk to the back of a nearby plaza where a van was waiting for them. A young girl ran up to one of the women, and they walked hand in hand toward the vehicle, while the second woman followed behind. A man, the apparent getaway driver, was also waiting. They all got into the van and drove off.
Alam mo, naawa ako bigla dahil may nakita akong bata, no, na parang sinasalubong yung mommy niya. Now I'm torn, di ba? It could be a syndicate, or it could also be, what if talaga nga walang makuhang trabaho din ang mga taong ito? Yes, they have a car to pay for, you know, they don't wanna, I'm just thinking, maybe they don't wanna lose their car too. And they can only resort to asking people for money because they cannot find a job. I don't know. I'm just thinking about the other possible scenarios. Ano. Pero yun na nga, magdududa ka rin kasi nung kinonfront siya, yung isa, no, matapang pa eh. Nang tatabig, nag-dirty finger pa. Kung siya ay tunay nga naman na struggling, maybe she would have been, open to sharing her story why she is doing that. Diba? Naawa lang ako dahil may bata talaga, no? I don't know. Ano ba yan? But anyway, because of this situation, the mayor of Vaughan, okay, nakarating na po sa kanya itong insidenteng ito, at natanong na po siya tungkol dyan, at ito ang kanyang sagot. Gusto po niya, kumbaga, he has ordered officials of Vaughan to look into it and to come up with options. Yan ang sabi niya. Ito yan, no? This is also posted by 6buzz TV naman on Instagram.
I know
Or
the people of honor extraordinarily. I know the people of honor extraordinarily generous, and we are always looking to help those in need, those in genuine need. But I will not accept our residents being taken advantage of or exploited by those who are trying to prey upon their generosity. So if that's what's taking place, if that's what occurred in this case, that's not acceptable. I don't think it's right, especially from the standpoint of community standards and decency. And I would urge us to try to take action to the extent, again, that we are permitted to do so. So I would like to move that motion, directing staff to come back to us with a report on this or a communication on this so that we have all of the options in front of us.
So, you don't know. If that is the case daw, if indeed this is part of a bigger operation. Okay. So, bantayan natin kung anong magiging resulta nito. Sana ma-report din sa public yung magiging findings ng staff ng Vaughan about this. Ayun na nga, no, yung first video was in Vaughan, the second videos, yung 2 videos sa Mississauga. Again, mukhang by the same person pala, no, na nagko-confront nung beggars dun. What do you think about this, guys? Does this make you think twice about helping beggars? Ano ngayon ang nasa isip nyo sakaling makaharap muli kayo sa isang, humihingi po ng tulong? Again, meron po talagang mga tunay na nangangailangan ng tulong even in first world countries like Canada. Hindi lang po yan dito sa Canada, even in the US. Other rich nations, meron po talagang mga dumadating sa puntong kailangan nila ng tulong for different reasons. No? Genuine need po yan. Anyway, I really hope magkaroon ng follow-up report tungkol dito because, it is alarming in a way. No? Yun lang naman po, maikli lang ang ating episode as always. Let me know what you guys think down there in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!